Telegram mining is gradually becoming popular in the crypto space. And in today's video, I want to introduce to you Tapswap, a Solana project which is onboarding more people in the Web3 space through Telegram. So I wish you stay with me till the end of the video as I hold your hand and take you through. As you can see, I already have 7.5 million of their tokens. Right, it's a very great project, guys. And even as I opened the app now, I have about 86,000. Let me collect it. So all I've been doing, or all you'll be doing, is to be tapping, right? To be just tapping, and it will be mining for you, right? You tap and then you earn. It doesn't mean you should stay on the app from morning till evening, right? As you can see, my limit now is around 6,000, right? So as I'm tapping, when it's exhausted, I have to wait till it's fully loaded before I come back again. But what after I'm done helping you creating your account, I don't even tap. There's a way I'll come back every 12 hours and about 80,000 coins will be mined for me, and then I just have to get it, as you saw when I opened the app. So guys, don't miss this great opportunity to make millions or thousands or hundreds of dollars in the crypto space. In crypto, all you do is to participate in simple tasks, and then you make crazy money, just like we made with not mining, where I made almost 200 plus dollars for free. I was just tapping on my phone just like that, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your Tapswap account in your Telegram app, right? So if you don't have Telegram, please download one from Play Store, create your account, and then use the link that I'll leave in the description section of this very video, right? So all you need is the link which I've already talked about, right? So let's create a new account systematically. Please don't skip any part of the video, right? All right, so I sent the link to this friend of mine to also register and claim some coins. So let me click on it and then I take you through, right? So once you click on it, it will actually take you to Telegram, and this is the first interface that you see. All you have to do is to click on Stats, right? So let's see the next pop-up. Okay, so when you click on Stats, you can see the interface. I don't have to be reading all these guys, so I'll just click on Stats now. Okay, start, and then it will open I think the mining page. So as a newbie, for registering, you will get 2,500, and your limit will be 500. So you just have to be tapping here, right? And as you can see, each tap is mining one coin for you, right? Each tap is mining one coin for you, right? So how can you earn even more? How can you earn even more, right? So let's click on task, guys. This project is very serious, right? So don't joke with it. So when you click on um uh when you click on task, if you have a Solana wallet, you can connect it and then you get 100,000 of the coins. Okay, so let's use join our socials. If you don't know Solana wallet, I'm talking about Phantom, Souffle, and all those stuffs, right? You can download some from Play Store, create your wallet, and then make sure you save your passphrase. So let's join via socials and see. But you see, I already have an account and I followed them on X and those stuff. So when you click on start, right, you just have to click on this guy here, right? It will take you to their Telegram channel. You join, you come back, you confirm. Same here and also same here, right? So right after that, you'll get 200,000 of their coins, right? So you can also click on this guy here called boost, right? Boost. When you click on tapping guru, you'll get some 15 seconds. You see, you'll be earning like 5 times your normal tappings, right? So that's how the thing is. That's how the thing is, guys. It's very, very simple. Okay. And one thing is, let me click on referrals, right? When you click on referrals, when the first person that you invite, you will get 2,500. When you invite 3 friends, you get 50,000. 10 friends, so it keeps going on and on and on. Even if you are able to invite 100,000, you also get 100 million coins, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy, and this project is very, very amazing. Let's click on leaks. Okay, so forgetting to bronze, right? You can see this bronze here. Oh my god, let me remove this guy, right? So I'll claim 4,000, right? So there's a bot which I bought using the same coins, right? So let's click here. You can see this bot, the tab bot. It cost 200,000 of the coins, and this account now only have 4,000, right? So I'll keep mining till I get 200,000. I'll buy it. Once you buy this, you don't have to be tapping again. You just leave it. Every 12 hours you come back, and then it will mine for you. You can also increase your energy limit, right? Your energy minute. So instead of the 500 that will be recharging as your limit, it will be increased for you. Make sure you also join my Telegram channel, right? You make sure you also join my Telegram channel. Please subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Remember, this coin will be listed soon. And also, there are so many Telegram mining projects. I'll drop most of them in the description section. And one funny thing about them is almost all of them follow this same trends, right? This same mining stuffs. So if you want to refer someone, you just click on this refer here. You just click on it, and then click on invite a friend, right? So when you click on invite a friend, okay, let's wait as it loads. It will give you your referral link, your unique referral link. You can now copy it and then send it to your friend. You know, crypto is mostly about referrals, right? Crypto is mostly about referrals. Not only referrals, but building a strong community. That makes every crypto a strong project. Until next time, be safe.